So you want to learn programming with so many languages out there like C, C++, Java, Python, Kotlin, Swift and a lot more. You are now confused that which programming language you should learn as an absolute beginner. In this video, you will find all the answers to your questions related to learning programming as an absolute beginner. Make sure that you watch till the very end and let's start today's video. Hey, welcome back everyone, I am Rishi Prakash. As we enter this new year, it is natural to be thinking about setting goals and learning new skills. If you are interested in computer programming, you might be wondering that what the best language to learn is. And after researching and considering various options, I have determined that Python is the best programming language if you want to learn programming in this 2023. There are several reasons that why Python is a great choice for absolute beginner and experienced programmers alike. But here in this video, I will mention 3 most important reasons that why you should learn Python as your first language. You can easily switch to different language as well after learning Python, and it takes nearly 1 to 2 months to learn a new language. एक language में आपका basics clear हो जाएगा, boss. सभी language में basics almost same ही रहते हैं. So yeah, you will not face any problem. So first Python is a high level language, which means that it is easier to read, write as compared to the lower level languages like C or assembly. This makes it more accessible and less intimidating language for those new to programming. Second, Python is a versatile language that can be used for a wide range of applications including web development, machine learning, data analysis and scientific computing. This means that learning Python can open up a wide range of career opportunity for you. Third, Python has a large and active community of developers and users, which means that there is a wealth of resources available online including tutorials, documentation and open source libraries. This makes it easier to get help when you are stuck or have questions left behind. So in summary, if you want to learn programming language in 2023 that is easy to read and write, versatile and supported by a strong community, Python is a good way to go. I have learned Python by using this video of Code with Harry. This is a 12-hour long video. You will not become an expert after watching this video, but your basics will be cleared after watching this. And right now I am learning Java and DSA and algorithm. I've taken this course of Alpha 3.0 of Apna College. You might have known him. So yeah, that's all for this video. And if you got something valuable out of this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you are new. You will find the link to the basics of Python programming of Code with Harry in the description box. And thank you so much for watching. I will catch you up in the next video.